It is very nice to greet you again. In today's video we will talk about the following. Can no contact work a second time to win back your ex? No contact is a powerful strategy that can help repair broken relationships and even bring your ex back after breaking up with you. This method involves cutting off all forms of communication with your ex for a set period, allowing both parties time to heal, reflect, and potentially rekindle their feelings for each other. But can no contact work a second or third time? The answer is yes, it can. We'll talk about it. 1. Understanding the no contact rule. The no contact rule is simple. You must stop communicating with your ex for a specific period, usually 30 to 60 days. The main goal is to give both parties time and space to gain perspective on the relationship and their feelings. 2. The psychology behind no contact. People are inherently drawn to patterns and routines. By breaking the routine of communication and interaction with your ex, you create a sense of absence and loss, which can lead to heightened feelings of longing and desire. 3. Why no contact can work again. When no contact worked the first time, it was likely because it created a pattern disruption that made your ex miss you and reconsider their decision. Below, I discuss several reasons why no contact can be effective again. Habitual response. Humans respond to familiar patterns. If no contact occurred once, it's because it disrupted a pattern and triggered a specific emotional response. Applying it again can trigger the same response. Time and distance. Time and distance are powerful factors in rekindling feelings after someone has broken up with you. Each period of no contact allows for personal growth, reflection, and healing, which can renew interest and attraction. Renewed perspective. Each period of no contact gives both parties the opportunity to gain a fresh perspective on the relationship. They can reevaluate their feelings and desires, which often sparks a renewed interest in rekindling the romance. Break negative patterns. No contact helps break these patterns, allowing both parties to start fresh. If it worked once, it can work again to re-establish momentum and attraction. 4. How to implement the no contact rule again. Successfully implementing the no contact practice a second time requires careful thought and strategy. Here's a step-by-step guide. Commit to the process. Make sure you fully commit to no contact. This means respecting the rules and resisting the temptation to contact your ex. Reflect on the past. Before trying no contact again, reflect on what worked and what didn't during the previous attempt. Understanding the reasons behind the breakup and addressing lingering issues can improve the effectiveness of the no contact rule. Set clear boundaries. This applies to you, not your ex, in the sense that you shouldn't tell your ex that you're no contact. Just do it. The boundaries you should set for yourself are that you shouldn't attempt to communicate with your ex in any way. Focus on self-improvement. Use the no contact period to focus on yourself. Engage in activities that foster personal growth. Improving your personality can make you more attractive to your ex and improve your overall well-being. Maintain social connections. Social support is essential for maintaining emotional health and can provide a distraction from the urge to contact your ex. Avoid social media temptations. Limit your exposure to your ex's social media profiles. Viewing their updates can trigger emotional responses that may lead you to break contact or have more bad days. Be patient. No contact requires patience. Understand that it's a process that takes time. Rushing or breaking the rules can undermine their effectiveness, even if you want to reconnect with your ex. Conclusion. Accept the process. The no contact rule can be a powerful tool for rekindling a relationship, even if it's your second or third time using it. People are creatures of habit, and the emotional impact of going no contact can produce similar results each time it's applied. By understanding the psychology behind no contact and putting it into practice thoughtfully, you can create the conditions for personal growth and eventual reconciliation. You are an essential part of what we do on this channel. For this reason, we keep an eye on what you need, and if it is your desire to recover your ex correctly and effectively, you must click on the link below.